Hello everyone, this is Milt Olson with Maintenance Technology Systems. We're working on our VBox5 uh, program today, and we're going to specifically go through how to set up the channels on our VBox5. So the way that we get there, this is where the program opens up to. We go to the Acquire Data mode, and we select the Channel Setup button. And as that is done, this brings up a whole new window that we can then move around however we want to do it. This is the setup from the previous device or the previous time that we collected data. All of these fields, with the exception of this channel number, are editable. And so the way that we edit those is, let's say we wanted to have a smaller or a larger test. It doesn't really matter at this point. We just click on the one that we want to do. We could actually have it spell out horizontal all the way if we wanted to. Notice that it adds it on there. I want to change the sensitivity. Note that I can change it to the 500 millivolt per G sensor. Just by clicking, I can turn the AC to DC power on or off. I can turn the power to the transducer on or off. I can select what kind of transducer it is. Let's say it's a velocity transducer. And that's the numbers. If I wanted to actually put in a number here, does it let me? I don't think so. I just want to get close here. So that's how we do that one. Let's say we only want to do a horizontal ones. We can just delete these extra channels that we don't have. Delete. We'll rename our horizontal at this point. Save. Delete this one. Delete this one. Delete that one. Rename our horizontals. We'll say it the same way. Delete that channel. Delete that one. Rename this one. Save. And we can delete this channel. Delete this channel. So at this point, we just have a single channel on each one of those. And I'm going to go ahead and move this back to 100. So on our tachometer, we could put whatever number we wanted in here, whatever label we wanted in there. Most tachometers work on a voltage basis. 1,000 millivolts per volt is generally what we do. We generally want to have DC. We don't provide our sensor power, and we can have it be just a straight voltage. We can have it called a tachometer, whatever we want to have it here. So if I go ahead and save this, it's going to exit the screen and put me back into data collection mode. So I'll just show you how that works. And notice that it updates this list to match what we just had. And we're ready to acquire data. The one thing I didn't show you, let's go back and show you that. We can choose to have a different frequency range. Note that 750 hertz is as low as we can go. And note that 25,000 hertz is as high as we can go. So it certainly covers the range of where we're interested. So let's say we wanted to go there, save, and we actually would have to reload the program to have it select our 2000 hertz Fmax here. So that's part of the setup button. Let's go back here. Now let's add some channels back in. Let's say we wanted to add the vertical and the horizontal back in. So we just change the horizontal to vertical, and we insert channel. Notice that it added it to us there. So we'll then change this one to axial, and we insert channel there. And we can do the same thing with the other one. So we use our insert channels now with this one. Oh, we forgot to change the label on it. It just merely does what we ask it to do. So we'll go ahead and save there. And then we'll make this one axial and insert it back there. Notice we can just keep doing this for the rest of the things. And we'll do this one. And once again, we're going to do this one. And then make this one our axial. And now we're back to the 13 channels that we started out with. So let's say we wanted to add some additional channels. We can do that a couple of ways. One, we can go ahead and just put foundation. We'll just call this horizontal. And we'll insert channel there. And then we can have it be vertical. Insert our channel. Axial. Oops. And insert that channel. So now we've added 3 new channels to it. Let's say we wanted to add another tachometer to this. We could simply do this by clicking on this guy, making it our number 2. Insert channel is going to put that afterwards. We'll have to update these other fields to have it act like our tachometer, which is pretty simple to do. Just point and click and select what it needs to be. Notice that we now have we've exceeded our 16 numbers, so we start to drag off there. Let's say we wanted to add another vibration transducer down here on channel 18. So we just click on this space down here, channel 18, and let's say this is going to be, say, a piping reading that we wanted to take and add to our data collection here. Discharge in, oh, come on. There you go. We can really call these whatever we want them to be. Click on continue there. Notice that it brought in acceleration stuff here. And now we've got 18 channels. If I go ahead and hit save, once again it's going to update our list here. Just exactly what we had, which is what we wanted. And we could go ahead and acquire data. Let's say we want to go 1000 Hertz F max. We could hit our start acquire data. So that's the channel setup. Now, if we wanted to do something a little bit different, we could recall our data set here. And we stored one over here under data. And we went down here to TWF data. And we've got some folders down here, video test. And there's a one we did just in our other video. And we recall that one. Note that it changed our list here to match what's there. Our recall data, generally we want to go over here in this area. Note that we've got our data back that we used in our previous demo, and can do those kinds of things. So it updates pretty much based on whatever it is you want to do, wherever you want to go. So we'll go ahead and finish this one up. Hope this has been helpful, and we'll see you again.